All right, so one of the first transactions you want to make would be purchasing crypto. Today, the Arculus Cold Storage Wallet supports purchasing crypto using USD. We anticipate supporting additional fiat currencies in the future. Just check our website or follow us on social media for any updates. Now, to buy crypto with fiat, simply select the coin you'd like to purchase and the amount in fiat. The app will translate the fiat amount into the crypto amount. You'll see a screen that allows you to pay with Apple Pay or enter a credit or a debit card. Enter your personal payment information and tap Pay Now, and congrats, you just bought crypto. Now, to learn how to swap your crypto for a different coin, crypto, or currency. First, simply select the coin you'd like to swap in your wallet. Next, enter the amount and then tap the swap button. On the next screen, you will enter the amount of your coin you'd like to swap, and below that you can select the coin you'd like to swap it for. When swapping crypto for crypto, the Arculus Wallet app will display a blockchain network fee paid to the exchange partner for the transaction. Now, click the Next button on the screen and confirm your swap, and congrats, you just swapped crypto. Now, to send crypto from wallet to wallet, first you'll need to provide the first factor of authentication, your biometrics. Select the coin in your wallet that you'd like to send and then tap the Send button. Next, enter the amount you want to send and scan the QR code or paste the destination address and then hit the Next button. At this point, you can also adjust the transaction speed to reduce fees by tapping on the gear icon if applicable. However, not all coins are eligible for this reduction. Now, your Arculus Wallet app will ask for the second factor of authentication, your PIN code. And finally, the app will ask for your third factor of authentication, your key card. Simply tap your key card right there to the back of your phone as prompted to sign and then send the transaction to the recipient. It is that easy and that secure. Now, to receive crypto, start by selecting the desired currency in your wallet. Next, tap Receive, and you share your address by copying and pasting your wallet address to the sender. You can also have them scan your QR code if you are transacting in person. Now, you'll be notified once your currency arrives. It is that simple. A transaction record will be kept in your history in the Arculus Wallet app. You will see the amount added to your selected currency, and that's it. Are you ready to learn about making transfers to your Arculus Cold Storage Wallet? Transferring an existing wallet can only be done if you have a 12-word recovery phrase and if all the coins in your current wallet are also supported by the Arculus Wallet. Now, before transferring assets, be sure to check our list of supported currencies. And now that you're ready, tap Restore on your Arculus Wallet app. You'll be prompted to enter and confirm your 6-digit PIN code. Next, you'll be asked to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. So you enter the 12-word recovery phrase from the existing wallet that you would like to transfer. You should now see the contents of your existing wallet in your new Arculus wallet. Congrats.